Here's how to put multiple pictures on lock screen iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can put multiple pictures on your lock screen on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first, you just simply need to go to your lock screen or head over to your notification bar just like this. And here, as you can see, this is what my lock screen looks like. But let's say you're on your lock screen, you just simply need to tap and hold on your lock screen until you see the option of customize. So you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of customize, and then just make sure that your settings are normal. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and press on this plus icon right next to customize, and then on the third option you'll see photo shuffle. So you just gotta go ahead and press on this photo shuffle option, and right over here it will show you all these pictures and everything, but you just gotta go ahead and choose album and use photos manually. Press on it, and then just go ahead and press on all, and then choose the photos that you wanna choose for your wallpaper. So I'm gonna choose these photos right over here and then press add. And here, as you can see, now I'm just gonna go ahead and press on daily, and what this is gonna do is just simply change every day. So here, as you can see, now every time I swipe my every time I unlock my phone, or I can do this pretty much like in any other detail. If I go customize just like this, here, as you can see, the shuffle frequency is set on daily. I can do this hourly, or maybe on tap, maybe on lock, or daily. It's actually up to you, but I've set it to daily, and it will change daily for me. And yeah, this is simply it. Now it will change daily for me, and this is how you can actually put multiple photos on your lock screen. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.